Hello and welcome to our first Small Business Brief of 2015. In this week's edition we'll focus in on small business optimism as the US economy turns the page out of recession and focuses on growth. Also, the alternative lending space is heating up as OnDeck announces a new marketplace for institutional investors. And finally we'll talk about American Express's latest award in advertising. There's a wave of optimism hitting the United States small business sector. The National Federation of Independent Business said its Small Business Optimism Index increased 2.3 points to 100.4 in December. And that's the highest reading since October of 2006. And this wave of optimism among small business owners was further bolstered by strong job numbers this month, which showed job openings approaching a 14-year high in November. These trends, coupled with a surge in sales expectations, as well as capital outlays and business expansion plans, have driven the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index back to pre-recession average. While hiring remains below pre-recession levels, there's little doubt the jobs market is tightening. The Job Openings and Labour Turnover Survey report showed there were 1.82 people for every open job in November, and that was the smallest ratio since January of 2008. And compared to 1.86 in October. It supports the recent strong trend in job growth and suggests that an acceleration in 2015 is expected. 25% of NFIB member firms reported increases to compensation in the past 3 months, up from November's 21%, and this number has also been trending upwards since the financial crisis. 17% expect increased compensation in the next 6 months, up from 13% in November. Also, the Bureau of Labor Statistics recently reported a modest rise in average hourly earnings of 0.1% in December, which is down slightly from 0.6% in November. Turning to alternative lending now, OnDeck Capital has announced the general availability of OnDeck Marketplace, a platform that enables institutional investors to purchase small business loans originated by OnDeck. To use the platform, each institutional investor opens its own OnDeck Marketplace account, purchases loans on a programmatic basis, and then receives daily principal and interest payments from the loans it owns. OnDeck services the loans, making the process seamless, transparent, and efficient. One of the key drivers for the OnDeck Marketplace platform is the company's proprietary OnDeck score, a business credit score that leverages big data for small business customers rather than relying solely on the business owner's personal credit history. Loans in OnDeck Marketplace are graded A through F, mostly based on their OnDeck score, and these grades set the prices institutional investors pay for individual loans. For more information, visit ondeck.com/marketplace. In 1999, Advertising Age magazine set out to examine all the ways in which advertising has entertained, moved, and motivated us over the years, and they ranked 100 best campaigns of the century in the special issue. For 2015, the list was updated with 15 of the best ad campaigns of the 21st century. American Express's Small Business Saturday campaign was actually almost dubbed Local Tuesday. And that was the original idea tossed around in 2010 when American Express Open asked for ideas from agencies to help their small business merchants boost sales. 4 years later, it's now an actual holiday and ongoing relationship building program from Amex and its small business customers. The effort, with its simple call to action, Shop Small, has included social media toolkits, packets of logos, posters, buttons, and digital assets distributed nationally each year. In 2013, Small Business Saturday generated $5.7 billion in sales and is considered a cultural movement that's changed the way consumers view and support small businesses. Our congratulations go out to American Express for this achievement and all of the advertising pros who worked on the campaign. You can explore the entire set of 21st century winning ad campaigns in Advertising Age's book, available from the adage.com website. Well, that's it for the Small Business Brief. Before we sign off, remember, small business is the engine of our economy, so get out there with your wallet and rev it up, America. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified of our next Small Business Brief. Thanks, and we'll see you the next time.